Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and accessories. Today, we're diving into a truly stunning piece, the Best Lover's Knot Tiara, the SWEETV Jeweled Baroque Queen Crown. Whether you're preparing for a wedding, prom, or cosplay event, this crown is sure to make you feel like royalty. Let's take a closer look at why this tiara has captured the hearts of many. First, the design is an absolute showstopper. The crown features intricate Baroque style detailing with a mix of sparkling rhinestones and multicolored gemstones, all set in a luxurious gold-plated alloy. The vintage-inspired design gives it a timeless elegance that can be paired with a variety of outfits, from a bridal gown to a dramatic cosplay costume. It's not just a crown, it's a statement piece that radiates royal charm. At about 2.3 inches in height and 5.8 inches in diameter, this crown strikes the perfect balance between bold and graceful. It's designed to make you stand out, but it's not so large that it feels overwhelming. Despite its elegant design, the weight is substantial, and the materials feel premium, offering a real, queen-like sensation when you wear it. The weight might take a little getting used to, but once it's on your head, it certainly gives off that regal vibe that you deserve. The materials used in this crown are of high quality. The rhinestones are carefully set to ensure they sparkle from every angle, and the gold-plated metal complements the gems perfectly. The alloy is durable, and the craftsmanship is top-notch. This tiara isn't just beautiful to look at, it's built to last, making it a great investment for future special occasions. When it comes to versatility, the SWEETV Jeweled Baroque Queen Crown shines. It's ideal for a wide range of events, from weddings and anniversaries to birthdays and costume parties. Whether you're walking down the aisle, attending a fancy dress event, or simply dressing up for a photo shoot, this tiara will elevate your look. Lastly, the crown is adjustable, meaning it fits comfortably on most head sizes. Whether you're planning to wear it all night or just for a brief occasion, you won't have to worry about it being too tight or too loose. You can rest assured it will stay in place once it's properly positioned. In conclusion, the SWEETV Jeweled Baroque Queen Crown is the perfect accessory for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and glamour to their outfit. Its luxurious design, quality materials, and versatility make it a standout choice for brides, cosplayers, or anyone looking to make a memorable entrance. If you're in the market for a crown that combines beauty, durability, and a touch of vintage charm, the Best Lover's Knot Tiara by SWEETV should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. See you in the next video.